welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be making some stickers and talking about wholesale. So I use a website called Faire. I signed up for it about 6 months after I started my shop. If it's still the same, you do have to get on a wait list and wait to be approved. I think it took about a month or month and a half for them to approve my shop. But once you're approved, you can start selling your items wholesale. So I recommend only putting items on there that you can either create a lot of or have bulk inventory. So I only offer my stickers, bookmarks, and cards, because these are items that I can make at home and I can make a lot of. So this is what it looks like whenever a retailer is shopping on your site. You can set minimums, so I have a $75 minimum for new retailers. You can also create collections, so if retailers are only looking for bookmarks or stickers, you can have all of these in one area. You can also upload your whole category to Faire. If you use Shopify, you're able to do this really easily. So here's one of my listings for my sunflower bookmark. Let's talk about pricing. So with wholesale, let's say I sell my bookmark for $4. I'm going to put it up for wholesale for half of that at $2. So then that store can purchase it for $2 and then resell it for $4 or $4.50 and make a profit. You can also create cases. So I sell my bookmarks in sets of 3 or my stickers in sets of 5. You always want to make sure whatever you're selling that you are selling it at a price where you are still making some money as well. So the cases and the minimums really help with that. And take into account all the materials you use. If you're going to be packaging your items individually and making them nice and professional, that you are adding on that cost for the extra packaging. You want to make sure it's worth it in the end. There are some other things that you can choose as well. So whether you want to sell to different countries, the type of retailer you want to sell to, online only or social sellers, which are shops that sell on like Facebook and Instagram. And I got a question on how I brand my stickers. I print out these little tiny logos and put them on the back of each sticker. Sometimes I don't do this because it's very time consuming. I'm thinking about investing in maybe like a little stamp that makes it quicker. But if you want to make sure that customers who are purchasing your items know who made it, then you want to make sure you're branding each item. This is a great way for more customers to learn about your shop and hopefully come directly to your website or find you on social media. So it's a really great way to get your shop out there and connect with other retailers. So another thing that Faire offers is Top Shop. If you look in the upper right corner, you can see that I have a little badge next to my logo. This tells retailers that I have met certain criteria, such as fulfilling 5 orders, having a good rating, and keeping late shipments down. This gives retailers a peace of mind whenever they order from you. And you get certain perks such as standing out in search more and attracting new customers. But thank you so much for watching. I will leave a link directly to Faire down in the description, and I'll see you in my next video.